There's nothing better than enjoying summer by the sea. So if you intend to spend the next summer close to the beach or sea, here's a list of some awesome aquatic tech to make summer fun and memorable. Let's dive in. The Awake Ravic S22 is an innovative piece of technology that'll make you feel more connected to the sea. It's the most powerful and efficient electric surfboard available and was designed so that riders may push themselves to new limits by pushing harder, leaping higher, turning sharper, and riding faster. This board's response time is 0.02 seconds, and its top speed is 57 kilometers per hour. The typical battery lasts around 20 minutes, and you can ride it on waves or in quiet bays. And although it's relatively pricey, it offers excellent value for the money. This linear jet system also guarantees a strong and stable grip, even in the bumpiest waves, thanks to its high torque and rapid electronic response, allowing riders to be driven in any situation and delivering the best jumps, perfectly timed accelerations, turns, and tricks. Interesting, right? Another aquatic technology is the spectacular underwater scooter. Why put yourself through the stress of swimming when you can glide through the water on an underwater scooter like the Sub Blue White Shark Mix underwater scooter? This scooter allows you to go at speeds greater than 3 miles per hour for approximately 30 minutes while going more than 100 feet below the surface. However, if you prefer to stay on the surface, it also has a detachable floater. And for those who love taking underwater videos, Sub Blue provides a camera mount that is ideal for mounting a GoPro underwater camera. Additionally, it's tiny enough to fit conveniently in your beach bag, weighing less than 8 pounds, and functions in freshwater, saltwater, or pool water. But to avoid corrosion, rinse it thoroughly after each use. Another aquatic technology is the two-person hovercraft. Although this option's a little pricey, just imagine riding the waves with a friend or loved one and experiencing the ocean like never before. Also, try not to panic. This is not something that's easily broken, so it's also the best catch for your fishing adventures. Hovercrafts are completely inflatable, quick, safe, and enjoyable, and they can transport you to locations that are unreachable by regular boats. It also has powerful lights that'll be needed at night. And if you don't want sharks to ruin your wonderful surfing experience, the Shark Bands 2 Magnetic Shark Repellent Band is another aquatic tech you need. Although there's no way to guarantee you won't get bitten by a shark while swimming in the ocean, this Shark Bands 2 Magnetic Shark Repellent Band uses technology that has been scientifically shown to help lower your risk of attack. And how does it function? Sharks use electroreception to locate prey, so the strong magnet in shark bands alerts the shark that you aren't food, as it's stronger than any electrical field that a shark's prey would emit. Cool, right? The Shark Repellent Band can be worn on the wrist or ankle, and it doesn't require charging because it has no batteries. It's constantly active and travel-friendly with a magnetically shielded box for safe storage. And for improved comfort and durability, the innovative design is made with premium materials such as a soft silicone band and stainless steel. The Shark Bands also doesn't hinder ocean athletic performance and can be worn over or under wetsuits. Additionally, this appears pretty trendy, so for the fashion conscious, it's okay to be seen with it. Now, let's go to another gadget that can improve swimming: the Zip Out Full Face Snorkel Mask. This device will help you breathe through your nose and enjoy 180-degree views. When you're at the surface, a floating ball in the snorkel tube lets air in while keeping water out when you're underwater. And with its distinct inhaling and exhaling channel systems and anti-fog lens coating, it keeps the top snorkel mask from fogging up. This modern silicone sealing mask with a floating ball prevents leaks by preventing water from entering the mask. And the best part is that this mask comes with a GoPro camera mount, so you can capture everything you see. When you travel with the snorkel mask, you won't have to worry about how to store the snorkel tube, because it folds up easily and is simple to attach and detach. So enjoy each swimming trip as it comes. You can also use the aquatic LED clip-on mask light to enjoy the magical sea nights of the ocean. Oh, and when you're coated in sand and seawater from the beach and you feel uncomfortable driving home and a towel just isn't enough to get it all off, well, your solution in this predicament is a hand pump portable shower. This hand pump portable shower will help you rinse off before getting into the car. And while still fitting in your trunk or passenger footwell, the hand pump has 5 settings that can handle any cleaning job. And the 1.75-gallon tank is large enough to clean off a few people and even your dog. Another option for an underwater scooter is the Waydo Subnado underwater scooter. This scooter weighs about the same as a pineapple and has a 500-watt electric motor weighing 1.4 kilograms. Even though divers use underwater scooters often, this specific one gives every marine experience a little extra excitement. It's simple to attach to surfboards and paddleboards, as well as swimmers or scuba divers' arms or legs. It operates to a depth of 60 meters and is controlled with a remote. Yes, a remote! Both scooters can make a trip to the beach even more enjoyable. But remember to pack a good vibe so you can enjoy and have fun on your vacation. The very next aquatic, which is a UV monitor, may not appear to be much fun, but it's crucial for your summer adventure. Although it's wonderful to spend the entire day baking in the sun, doing so can be harmful to your health. Therefore, it should be a top priority to have a UV monitor that can alert you when you need to use sunscreen. This means you can still enjoy the sun and get enough vitamin D. However, you need this UV monitor because too much sun can result in sunburns and skin cancer. So this beach gadget's ideal for remaining sun smart, and it's waterproof. But before covering up or applying sunscreen, use the SunFriend Personal UV Monitor to ensure you've had the appropriate amount of sun exposure for your skin tone and sensitivity. And after programming your sun sensitivity level into the SunFriend for the first time, you simply need to watch the lights. It'll be on when you've absorbed your daily limit of UV radiation. It's that simple. And if you need something to help your ears, but you detest having to choose between protecting them and hearing your surroundings, Surf Ears Water Out Sound In earplugs will let you have both. This device will help protect your ear by using a special mesh core that allows sound to reach your ears while keeping water, bacteria, and debris out. And don't worry about putting the correct earplugs in. It's easy because the right and left ones are different colors. And thanks to their 4 silicone ear tip sizes and 2 flexible wing sizes, these plugs can be customized to comfortably fit in almost every ear. Also, the case protects them on land, while the attached rope keeps you from losing them in the water. In case you're thirsty, and drinking the water you're surrounded with doesn't sound like a good idea, there's an aquatic device called a vessel flask that can help quench your thirst. This flask was invented for adventure. It's the ideal vessel to transport your favorite drink. It's durable, waterproof, and incredibly small. This tube-shaped device contains a bottle opener, a powerful LED flood beam flashlight, 2 collapsible stainless steel shot cups, and can contain 10 ounces of your favorite beverage. The vessel flask is also a unique multi-purpose invention for fishing enthusiasts that combines the functions of a torch and a beverage container. Even better, there's a lifetime warranty included. How about losing your diamond ring after all the pleasure and excitement? There's no word to describe how confused and terrified you'll be, and that's enough to ruin the entire day. However, despite how annoying the issue is, the flip-flop metal detector can make looking for your missing ring less annoying. And although this may not be the most necessary device for your beach holiday, it may be the most helpful. All you need to do is go around the beach with these flip-flops. Yes, it's that simple. There's another device that meets your music needs among many others. With the unique 4-in-1 gadget from SoulGuard, you can charge your devices while listening to your favorite music. This portable solar bank boombox is a waterproof power bank, Bluetooth speaker, and wireless charger all in one. It's perfect for lounging on the beach with friends and family. This amazing device, equipped with a 12,000 milliamp battery and 4G solar technology, offers up to 5 full charges for your smartphone or 96 hours of Bluetooth music, making it a useful addition to your beach gear collection. And what if you want to take your music with you to the beach the next time you go? You won't have to worry about damaging the speaker as long as you go with the JBL Flip 4 waterproof portable Bluetooth speaker. It's the ideal beach device for providing superb sound for your music or conference calls because it's lightweight and waterproof. This speaker's 12-hour battery life will serve you on your next beach day, and up to 2 phones can be connected at once, allowing you and a friend to alternately play your preferred music. Let us know which aquatic technology you consider useful for your next summer trip in the comments. See you later.